My name is Eva Harden. I'm a nurse anesthetist at West Tennessee Healthcare, Dyersburg Hospital, and work PRN at Henry County Medical Center in Paris, Tennessee.
My name is Dinah Brush. I'm a respiratory therapist at Henry County Medical Center. I've been a respiratory therapist for about 25 years now. My decision to become vaccinated came without any hesitation. Being a frontline worker, and after 25 years, it's something like I've never seen or experienced. Most of the ones who end up admitted are the ones who are not vaccinated.
Most patients that end up on the ventilator, which is when I usually see them, is when they're needing to be put on the ventilator. 99% of them are unvaccinated patients. I've had a few patients actually tell me, when I get off this ventilator, I'm going to go get the vaccine when I can. Whenever my family was affected, the vaccine was not available. However, if my grandmother was still living, she would tell you that she would get the vaccine as a retired nurse. My mother spent 53 days in the hospital in 2 different facilities, and will proudly tell you that she's happy to be here and to have survived it.
It's important to me that my community understand how important vaccination is, and I've made a few posts on social media about how important that is. So when I came down with COVID, or was tested positive for COVID, it was very important for me to go ahead and put into rumors that, well, she was vaccinated and she got it, so here she is promoting that everybody be vaccinated. What's the point in it? The point in it is that I didn't end up admitted into the hospital. I do have asthma, and it could have been very bad, and the vaccine did work. It did do its job. Being exposed to it for 8 full months after being vaccinated, I finally, had it. My body was ready. I did not get nearly as sick as those who are non-vaccinated.
I think that vaccines have curbed the amount of COVID that has occurred in the hospital compared to the last pandemic we've had, because the patients that we're seeing now are not vaccinated. Of course, masking, I know we're all tired of wearing a mask. Nobody wants to wear a mask anymore. I wear an N95 mask every day, all day long. So if I can wear that, you can wear a simple mask to Walmart, to the grocery store, to go shopping, because if it prevents spreading COVID, it will save a life, and it will help the restraint that COVID is putting on hospitals.
The best way that you can help the healthcare workers, help your neighbors, help the people you sit next to in the pew at church, in the grocery store, the strangers that you don't even know. The best way that you can help us all is to go get your vaccine.